Hey, how's it going? This is Nova, and today we're going to be going over how to open multiple Discord instances. And it's going to look a little something like this. So without further ado, let's get into it. So this method is not going to be using the Discord desktop application. These are technically just a bunch of browser applications that you can open with ease. So we're going to go over here, open Discord in your browser, make sure you're signed into Discord. If you're not signed in yet, it's probably gonna make you sign in. So after you get to this page, you're gonna click over here, more tools, create a shortcut, and then we're gonna have this open as window checked. Then you can name this whatever you want. For this tutorial, I'm gonna name it Discord Extra Instances. Create. This should pop up on your screen. And if you look on your desktop, you should get an icon that looks something like this. Now, every time you click on this, you have a new Discord instance that pops up. And this is especially useful if you're trying to look at a bunch of different channels for time-sensitive notifications and you need your eyes on all of them at once. So during a sneaker release, your screen might look a little something like this. But if you use Slack, the process should be identical. You should be able to log into your Slack via the web browser and then create a shortcut. And then you can have access to several different channels all at the same time. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like if I helped you, leave a comment, any comment, and I'll see you in the next one.